In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and effectively use progress invoicing in your business operations. Progress invoicing is a valuable tool that allows you to bill customers for a portion of the total amount of a project as specific milestones are reached. This can significantly improve cash flow and provide better tracking for both you and your clients as the project advances. To begin, you'll first need to enable progress invoicing in your system settings. Start by navigating to the Account and Settings section, which is usually found within the main menu of your accounting software. Once you're in the settings, look for the Sales tab. Here you should see an option labeled Progress Invoicing. Make sure this feature is turned on. By doing this, you're setting up your system to be capable of managing and creating invoices in a structured and strategic way tailored to your business needs. Once progress invoicing is enabled, you can start creating an invoice tied to your ongoing project. Go to the Invoice section of your software, and when you're ready to bill your client for a portion of the project, select Create Progress Invoice. This feature is incredibly user-friendly and provides a seamless experience as you manage billing for projects that unfold over time. After selecting to create a progress invoice, you'll be prompted to fill in key details about the amount you wish to bill. Here, you can invoice partial amounts as work progresses. This is particularly useful if your project is spread across several months or involves various stages of completion. You might choose to invoice at the end of each phase or perhaps on a monthly basis depending on the agreement with your client and the scope of work. When deciding on the partial amounts to invoice, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the work completed so far. Ensure that you and your client are in agreement about the progress that has been made and the value of that work. This transparency helps maintain trust and keeps the flow of work seamless. Also, remember to adjust your invoices as necessary. Factors such as changes in the project scope or unexpected challenges can require adjustments in the invoicing process. Review the invoice carefully to confirm that all the billed amounts align with your internal records and client agreements. Once everything looks correct, you can send the invoice to your client. Be sure to include any additional documentation or notes that might be relevant, such as progress reports or a summary of delivered milestones. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage progress invoicing effectively. Your clients will appreciate the clarity and regular updates on billing, and you'll benefit from a steady cash flow as your projects move forward. Whether you're just starting or looking to streamline your current invoicing practices, making use of progress invoicing can transform how you manage financials within your projects.